Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoha and today I welcome you to another episode of Cook with Zoha. So today I'm going to make green masala or hara masala. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my videos, smash that like button. This all-in-one masala will help you save a lot of time and energy. You can use this masala in veg and non-veg recipes. You can store this masala in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 days. For this, you'll need 50 grams ginger, washed, peeled and sliced. 50 grams of garlic, peeled and washed. 50 grams chili, cleaned and washed. If you don't like spice, you can reduce the quantity as per taste. Handful of coriander with stem, cleaned and washed. 1 teaspoon salt. Little water to make blending easy. So let's get started. So now we'll combine all the ingredients into a blender. 50 grams ginger, 50 grams garlic, 50 grams chili. If you don't like spice, you can reduce the quantity as per taste. Handful of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So now I'll see you in a minute after blending it. So I'm done with the blending. You can add some water to blend it well. It smells really nice. You can also use it in all your recipes. So we're done making our masala. You can store it in any container in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 days. You can also enjoy making all your recipes with this masala, which will help you save a lot of time and energy. Do try this recipe. It is very easy and simple. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.